Now we'll go for the some problems. In this problem, this method is they will ask the what is the direction. What is the direction of the particular person or particular object? Now I have taken the two problems here. See, so a man walks 6 kilometers south, turns left and walks 4 kilometers, again turns left and walks 5 kilometers. Which direction he is facing now? Okay, see, first of all you need to draw the directions. Okay, so what is a man walks 6 kilometers south, 6 kilometers south. Okay, so in this direction we can have 6 kilometers to south. Turns left. So what is the left for this one? This is the left. He turns the left and walks 4 kilometers. Walks 4 kilometers. Again turns left. So here up to this one. Again turns left means in this direction. So towards the east. How many kilometers? And walks 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. Which direction he is facing now? So which direction he is facing now? How many kilometers south? Here it should be 4 kilometers south. Again turns left. What is the left for south? Left for south is east. Left for, already we have done the table for which direction is left, which direction is right. So left for south is east. How many kilometers again? 4 kilometers. Again turns the left. So what is the left for east? North. How many kilometers? 5 kilometers. Okay, so in which direction the facing now? And which direction the facing now is north direction. So it is, whenever you can draw like this one, we can have clearly, you can within fraction of second and without mistake you can do this one. For example, whenever drawing like this one, you should be confused. Okay, so this is the south and this is the north direction. Simply what we need to do, already we know the what is the left, what is the right. For example, if they mention the angle also, on the angle also you can take the same thing. For example, 90 degrees means what? He rotates after 6 kilometers. He takes 90 degrees. 90 degrees means how much angle you can have? Same thing. So from south to east they pass. For example, if he takes the only 45 degrees means nothing but in the southeast direction. Here you can have the only two possible. Either they will give the turns, they will give the angles only. Okay, so in shortcut manner what you have to do, whatever the first, this is the initial point. So what based upon the turns, just to write the direction and kilometer. So kilometers it is not mandatory here. In this type of problem they will give the whole, they will ask the only direction. They will ask the only direction. No need to bother about the how much kilometer. Okay, that problem will be differ from this one. So now answer is north. Okay, now we will go for the at sunrise. At sunrise, Amit and Deepak are having a conversation, standing in front of each other. So at sunrise, but they are not mentioned the in which direction they are standing. They are mentioning only at sunrise, Amit and Deepak having conversation, standing in front of each other. Okay, so the shadow of Deepak is formed towards the right hand of Amit. See here, this is the important thing. The shadow of Deepak at sunrise means in which direction we can have the sunrise? In the east direction we can have the sunrise. East direction we can have the east direction. Okay, so they mention the shadow of Deepak. The shadow of Deepak is formed towards the right hand of Amit. So if it is east, and which direction we can have the shadow? Opposite of the east is west. So here we can have the shadow of Deepak at west. So at west shadow of Deepak. So automatically he will give the right hand of Amit. Okay, so this is the right hand of Amit. So Amit right, this is. So this is the left. This is the left. So Amit right is west. So Amit right is west, Amit left, automatically left is east. Okay, so now what direction is Deepak is facing? Deepak is facing. Okay, so now this is the sunrise, and we can have the shadow of Deepak. So shadow of Deepak, so the shadow of the Deepak is formed towards the right hand of Amit. Okay, so what direction is Amit facing? Now we can see, first of all we need to find the which facing of Amit. From that one we can have the face, because both are conversation, means both are standing towards opposite direction, faces are opposite. Okay, so Amit, so this is the right and this is the left. So Amit right is west, Amit left is east. So what is the Amit face? Amit back. Already we have discussed about the whenever the person is standing towards the east, what is the left and right. So for example, in the same manner, see, north, south, east, west. So right, left. So this is the right is west and this is left. So automatically this is the face, this is the back of Amit. It is clear? Okay, already we can have these two from the given information. So right is west, left is east, and the same manner here right is west, left is, so face is nothing but towards the south. So towards the south, Amit face is towards the south. So whenever these two person, Amit and Deepak face, whenever they two having the conversation means both should be standing opposite. Okay, so whenever the Amit face is south, what is the Deepak face? Should be opposite to this direction, nothing but this is the north direction. So this is your answer. Okay, so whenever they will give the shadow, okay, so in this manner you need to do this one. Okay, so in this type of question they will ask the only direction, in which direction facing and which direction they having backward, like this one. Okay, see, now we'll go for the next level of questions. It somewhat depth questions here. See, what is the question is, a clock is so placed that at 12 noon its minute hand points towards the northeast. So what is the question? At 12 noon, minute hand. So minute hand placed at the northeast. In which direction that its hour hand point at 1:30 p.m. So generally in the clock, so 12, 3, 6, 9. This is the general. So at 12 noon, both minute hand and hour hand should be at the 12 o'clock. So this is the north, south, east, west. Actually this is the one, but how they are placed? They change the position of the clock. What is the position of the clock? A clock is placed that 12 noon its minute hand point towards the northeast. Generally at 12 noon both should be in the 12 o'clock, but that is the north. But in the question they placed the clock. So which direction they place the clock? Northeast. Now see here. So this is the direction we have. Okay, so this is the northeast. Now 12 o'clock, this is the position of the your clock, northeast. So 12 o'clock it is. See, now how we can represent the same thing in the clock. Okay, same thing, north, south. Here we can have the east, west. Okay, so here we can have the northeast, same manner, east, south. Here southwest, northwest. See, now at 12 o'clock, so this is the 12. At 12 o'clock, both minute hand and hour hand should be at 12 exactly. So nothing but this is the 12. So minute hand and hour hand should be in the same direction. Which direction here? North, east is K. So whenever it is 12, so automatically what is this one? This is the 1. This is the 1 because north, east, east. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. In this manner we can have. Okay, so what is the question we are asking here? At 1:30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m. At what 1:30 p.m. in which direction our hand is? In which direction our hand is? So 12 o'clock. So generally, if you take general thing, general watch, this is the 12 and this is the 1 and this is the 3, 6, 9 we have. So 1:30 means this is the 1:30. So between these two we can have the 45 degrees angle. So 12, 1. So north. So north, east generally we have general for clock. But here the clock is changed. So how much angle this is changed from north to northeast? What is the angle between these two? It is how much angle between north and northeast? We can have the only 45 degree angle. So only 45 degree changing. So in the same manner, whenever northeast is 12 o'clock, nothing but one our hand should be at east. No need to bother about the minute hand. Why? They are asking about the our hand only. Okay, no need to go for the minute hand should be either east, west or south, west. Okay, don't waste your time in your exam. Whatever the question they asked, based upon that one you can go for the your answer. So only they are asking the only our hand means automatically the our hand should be here. Okay, should be where in which direction we can have east direction. So this is your answer. Okay, in this manner you can go for the whenever they will asking they change the general regular thing. Actually regular thing should be 12 o'clock should be at north side, but they changed somewhat the angle. So based upon angle that only we can go for the options. Okay, so now we will go for the next model. First model is to find the distance. In previous one we have found the in which direction only. Okay, so now see the question. Ravi walks northward up to 10 meters. He turns the left and walks 30 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 50 meters. At what distance here? At what distance Ravi is now from his starting point? This is very, very important. From where they are asking the distance? From the starting point or from the final point like this one. So first of all, we take the northward. First statement, Ravi walks northward up to 10 meters. So in north direction. So this is our direction, north, south, east. He walks towards, this is the initial point we have. Walk towards 10 meters towards north. Okay. Next, he turns left and walks 30 meters. Turns left. So turns left, walk 30 meters. Walk 30 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 50 meters. Again, he turns left and walks 50 meters. See, observe here, I have taken the lines based upon the distance. This is the 10 meters, this is the 30 meters, this is the 50 meters. Okay. At what distance the Ravi is now from his starting point? So, this is the ending point. This is the end and this is the start. So, from starting point. So, from starting point, how much the distance? This is the distance we require now. This is the distance required now. So, how can you find the distance? See, this is the not equal, this is also not equal. We can have different distances here. So, how can you find? So, simply see here, I will draw one line here, So, what will be happen here? So, this is nothing but one right triangle. This is the one right triangle. This is the starting point A, B, C, D, E. We have. So, AED is the one triangle. AED is the one triangle. So, now we need to find the what is the distance AE distance we need to find. So, now we have only AD. AD is equal to how much AD? this is the AD. This will be equal to this one, okay, because both are parallel. So AD is equal to 30 meters. We need to find out AE, but we don't have DE also. So how can you find DE? How can you find DE? In mathematics, we can have the one formula that is called as a Pythagoras formula. So what is the Pythagoras formula? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. But here we have only AD. So see, one clue is here. See, what is the clue means? Here, how can you find out the DE? How we can find the DE? See, here AD is equal to 30 meters. What is the value of the CD? This is the total distance is 50 meters. Total distance is 50 meters. So now what is the distance of CD? CD is parallel to the AB. CD is parallel to the AB. So what is the distance of AB? This is also 10 meters. Whenever it is 10 meters, what is the distance of D and E? Total is 50. This is 10. So 50 minus 10. So that is equal to 40 meters. That is equal to 40 meters. So now you need to find out the AE is equal to how much? AE is equal to how much? Say apply the formula here, square root of 30 square plus 40 square. Square root of 9 4 zeros plus 16 4 zeros. So totally should be 25 means nothing but square root of 25 means it should be 50 meters. This is your answer. Okay, so don't need to confuse here. Must and should, whenever you are doing the practice, definitely you can find the clues. Okay, so how here what is the clue here? They have given the AB. Based upon the AB and CD, we find out the what is the value of the DA. So in this manner, we need to find the what is the distances developed from this one. Okay. The next question in the finding the distance. See, A and B start walking in opposite direction. So A and B start walking. For example, if you take this point, they are start walking in opposite direction, A and B. So for example, this is A, this is B. A covers 3 kilometers. A covers 3 kilometers. B covers 4 kilometers. B covers 4 kilometers. Then A turns right. So turns right. Right for this means in this direction. So turns right and walks 4 kilometers. So walks 4 kilometers. While B turns left. So B in this direction, because both are opposite direction. A towards in this direction means B will go towards in this direction. So this is the right for B and this is the left for B. So B turns left and walks 3 kilometers. So B turns left and walks 3 kilometers. So this is the starting point of both of them. Okay, how far each from the starting point? Now we need to find out these distances. How far it is from A, how far it is from B. This is the distance. How same Pythagoras formula. For example, this is the we can have M, N, O, P, Q. So you need to find out the OM, QM. OM and QM. Already you have the both here. Already we know the M, N and O, N. So this is the A and this is the B. So same apply the Pythagoras formula. What is the distance for A? So 3 square plus 4 square. Square root of 3 square plus 4. 9 plus 16. So 5. So same, and here also same thing. No need to go do the once again because both should be same. 4 3 3 4. Nothing but there is no change in this one. So this is also 5. So here it is 5. Here it is 5. So from starting point, what is the distance of the B and what is the distance of the A? Means both should be 5 and 5. So this is your answer. Okay, in this manner here. So whenever you are doing the calculations, so we need to save the time, because already here the same is there, 4 is there, 3 is, no need to go for the again 4 and 3, you need to calculation for this manner. Okay, it should be comes whenever you are doing the more practice for the your problems. Okay, thank you.